Guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm making for you some carne asada fries. Alright, right here we have a pan for our fries. We have some nacho cheese sauce, some guacamole, some thin steaks, an onion, some Mexican style grating cheese, sour cream, a tomato, and some french fries. You can use any type of fries that you want. I'm going to go ahead and cut up my meat and my onion and my tomato, and we will get started. I spray my pan with some non-stick cooking spray. That way my fries don't stick. My fries in the pan, I'm gonna put them inside the oven. I prefer the seasoned fries. That way you don't have to season them if you're in a hurry. These are perfect, so we're gonna bake them. Guys, so my oven, I have it on bake. You could put it between 300 and 450. I currently have it at 450. As you can see, please be careful using the oven. It does get very hot. Now, we have to start our meat. So, remember how to test to see if your pan is hot. You get a little spoonful of water. And it's not quite ready yet. Now we have our steak and our vegetables here. We are ready to get started. Now we're gonna put our steak in the pan. Pan should be nice and hot. So now we're gonna put a little bit of cooking oil. And then we're gonna add our steaks. Make sure you always wash your hands before and after handling meat. Now we're gonna brown our steak. So first we wanna season it. Don't put too much because our fries already have season on them. And we're gonna let that brown. We're gonna add our nacho cheese to the saucepan. We're gonna add our cheese to the stove and let it warm up. Now that our meat is almost brown, we're gonna add our vegetables. That way they can start getting soft. You do want to keep checking your french fries so that way they do not burn. You might want to try one every now and then to see if they're crispy, not cold. Mine are almost about done. We're gonna give it about another like 10 minutes. Guys, so our steak and vegetables are done. They're nice and soft. My cheese is heated up. And last but not least, our fries are done. We're gonna use gloves while taking those out. Be careful. Oven is hot. And now you know what that means. It's time to serve. Guys. So we're gonna put our fries on here first. My hands are washed. Alright. So next we're gonna put our steak and our vegetables on here. You can add as much as you want. There's no limit, guys. And now I'm gonna put my nacho cheese sauce. And then I'm gonna add my Mexican grated cheese. I seriously don't know how to say this in Spanish, you guys. I'm sorry. Very fine. Then I'm gonna add some sour cream. Last but not least is my guacamole. And that, you guys, is how I make my carne asada fries. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Love you all.